Located in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains of Ashe County, North Carolina, Cline Church Nursery was started by my parents, Cline and Ellen Church. What began as a small two-person farm in 1977 has now grown into a 500-acre tree farm. We specialize in wholesale Fraser fir Christmas trees, wreaths, roping, and nursery stock. I'm Amber Scott, and along with my brother, Alex Church, we are committed to the tradition of great customer service started by our parents. We're extremely proud to still be doing business with many of our original customers. Our family has been incredibly blessed by God over the years, and we are very thankful to be part of such an amazing industry. From our family farm to you, we would like to say a sincere thank you and Merry Christmas. We look forward to serving you for many years to come. Please visit us at ClineChurchNursery.com or call us at 336-877-4237.